Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make baklava at home. First, ensure your phyllo dough is properly thawed. This prevents tearing. Next, finely chop your favorite nuts, like walnuts or pistachios, for the delicious filling. Finally, melt 1 cup of unsalted butter, which will give your baklava its signature crispiness and rich flavor. This simple preparation sets the stage for a truly delightful dessert. Now, let's assemble this sweet treat. Start by generously buttering a 9x 13-inch baking pan to prevent sticking and ensure a golden crust. Carefully lay half of your phyllo sheets into the pan, brushing each individual sheet with melted butter. This meticulous layering creates the many flaky textures baklava is known for. Then, evenly spread your prepared chopped nuts over these buttered layers. To finish the assembly, place the remaining phyllo sheets on top, again brushing each one with butter. Before baking, use a sharp knife to cut the baklava into traditional diamond or square shapes. This makes serving much easier later. Bake your baklava at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 to 60 minutes, or until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color and a crispy texture. While your baklava bakes, prepare a simple syrup by simmering 1 1/2 cups of sugar with 1 cup of water until it thickens slightly. Once the baklava is out of the oven, immediately pour the cooled syrup over the hot pastry. This creates that irresistible sweet, sticky finish. Let it cool completely before serving. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the Oala water bottle, check the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade baklava.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.